Good morning, student. In the previous lecture, I started to explain about the political theory. Today, in the continuation of political theory, I will explain about the political scenario or ideal political scenario and practical political scenario. Political theory is related with human beings, and human beings are unique in different ways because every human being has a different point of view from others. In this context, we will study about the scenario of human being. We all live and work together as fellow human beings. This living together is the great fact of human life. Another great fact of life is that human beings are rational enough to make decisions about the conditions under which they can live to the greatest benefit of each and all. All rational beings are able to know what rules or traditions are needed to serve their best interests. So, human beings have two main unique features which you can read on your screen. They possess reasons and ability to reflect on their actions. First of all, a human being can think, and not only think but think rationally, think logically, and all these thinking human being can reflect in their behavior. So you can judge by the voting behavior of the people. You know, when people cast their vote, different aspects and views we observe at that time. So human beings are not a in too much scientific way, in we can say put the laboratory and get the accurate results like in our science teams, but human being of course can think scientifically, but not always they behave in a same manner. Now, what is politics? People have different ideas about politics. Easily you can judge in our society different people used to say about different ideas regarding the politics. For example, Mahatma Gandhi said about the politics. He said that political envelopes like the coils of a snake, and there is no other way out but to wrestle with it. In simple words, politics has surrounded human beings, and it is very much important part of human being. Human beings can't live without politics. It is very much essential part of human beings life. So, society cannot exist without some form of political organizations and collective decision making. All of you know, in our society, collectively we take decisions, or our representative take decisions that are based on views of masses. So, this is very much essential. Without this, we can't live or we can't survive in a group. And of course, politics arises from the fact that we have different visions of what is just and desirable for us and our society. Of course, with the help of politics, we can judge and get our desirable results, and we can also move our society in the favor of all benefits of all the peoples. At the beginning of this discussion, I said to you about the two aspects of politics, and I'm going to explain about this. First is positive aspects, and second is negative aspects. Let us discuss. At mention may be made of a layman's opinion of politics and of politicians. A layman thinks of politics in terms of only party politics. Okay, that is elections accompanied by false promises and the uh, tricks of politicians seeking powers. That is why politics is sometimes regarded as a dirty game or dirty politics, we can say. Generally people, you can easily listen, generally people are saying, I don't like politics, politics is very bad. In the politics, human beings and politicians are not a good person. Generally we can listen all these statements in our society. You must have gone through many pieces of writing in which you are told that students should keep away from politics. Generally, we say if you are good, so you must keep away from the politics. And now the positive aspects. In the positive aspects, we study politics has been regarded as the study of the state. You will take the meaning of state here, country, or power, or a struggle to attain power. In simply, in a country, which type of government and how government gains power and how people transfer their power, their authority to the government. We will study all these things in a positive way. So both the aspects are present in our society. I hope you are familiar with the positive and negative meaning and aspects of politics. For today, that is sufficient. Thank you and have a nice day.